Meanwhile, I didn't see this coming. Ford has filed a patent to bring back the gear shift for new EVs and stuff like that, but it doesn't really shift gears. It's kind of a thing to make you feel like you're shifting the car, right?
Ford is messing with the Gen Z crowd because, frankly, less than 1% of cars made today have stick shift, and 18% of Gen Z, or people, largely Gen Z, have no earthly idea. It would be like showing them a rotary dial phone, have no idea how it would work. But nonetheless, maybe this is a way that Ford is trying to wake up the feel of driving an EV, since, you don't have that, that muscle of the engine underneath you when you drive a gas-powered car. But nonetheless, it's an endeavor they're looking at, and maybe we will see stick shifts come back to cars. And then it'll be really fun to see the confused faces when they're like, what's that?
No kidding. I mean, I was in a car recently that had a gear shift, but it also had a clutch. And the 18% of those people that you just cited know how to drive a stick shift with a clutch. You just shift it around. What is that about?
Yeah, it's a really good question as to where they're targeting. I suspect it really is just adding in an experience of fun. Yeah. And then people are asking online, hey, is this maybe something that could drive their attention back to driving instead of being on their smartphones while they're driving? Maybe. And you and I would probably agree, maybe not.
Indeed.
All right. And by the way, Steve, we are tracking a dangerous new phishing attack that is bypassing the already pain in the rear end two-factor authentication security we all use. How to protect yourself at CyberGuy.com this morning.
I was just at CyberGuy.com. CyberGuy, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you, sir.